time palette gives you some simple animation controls. If you want more advanced animation controls, which we'll get to later, you have to go to the timeline. The timeline, just so you know, is here under Window, Timeline, and this is the more sophisticated way to handle animations in Cinema 4D. But if you need something that's just very simple, the animation, the time palette at the bottom will work just fine. So we'll do a little animation here. I'm going to move the sphere there. I'm going to set the animation time control to 0. By clicking this red button, we create what's called a keyframe. Then we first of all move the time to another position. I'm going to move this to 30. And then move our object to another position and record the keyframe. And you'll notice that the path automatically appears. It appears as a yellow line, and that indicates the trajectory or the path of the animation. So when I back this up to 0 and click play, we've now created a simple animation.